Ever faced issues with your computer's CPU and didn't know what to do? The Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is akin to the brain of a computer, executing instructions and handling tasks crucial for its operation. However, like any other component, it's not immune to issues. Today we're going to explore some of the most common CPU problems and how to resolve them. First up is overheating. This issue can rear its head due to inadequate cooling, dust accumulation, or overclocking. The solution? Make sure the CPU cooler is properly installed and functioning. Clean any dust buildup from the heatsink and fan using compressed air. If necessary, consider upgrading the CPU cooler or adding additional case fans for better airflow. And remember, avoid overclocking the CPU beyond its recommended limits, as this can increase heat output and shorten its lifespan. Next, system crashes or freezes. These can result from various factors including hardware conflicts, driver issues, or software errors. Updating device drivers, especially those related to the CPU, chipset, and graphics card, can solve this problem. Perform a malware scan using reputable antivirus software to check for any malicious programs causing system instability. If the problem continues, think about reinstalling the operating system or performing a system restore to a previous stable state. Slow performance is a common complaint. It can happen due to insufficient system resources, background processes, or software bloat. To tackle this, close unnecessary programs running in the background to free up CPU and memory resources. Use Task Manager or system monitoring tools to identify resource-intensive applications, and consider disabling them if they're not essential. Regularly cleaning up temporary files, cache, and unused applications can also help optimize system performance. Compatibility issues are another common problem. These can occur between hardware components or software applications and can lead to CPU-related problems. To resolve this, ensure all hardware components are compatible with each other and supported by the operating system. Check for BIOS updates for the motherboard to address any compatibility issues with newer hardware or software. Also, verify that software applications are compatible with the CPU architecture and operating system version to prevent compatibility-related errors. Hardware failure, such as a malfunctioning CPU or motherboard, can lead to system instability and unexpected behavior. To tackle this, test the CPU and other hardware components using diagnostic tools or stress testing utilities. If the CPU is suspected of being faulty, consider replacing it. If necessary, contact the manufacturer or a qualified technician for assistance with diagnosing and repairing hardware failures. Last but not least, noise or vibrations. Excessive noise or vibrations from the CPU cooler or fans can indicate mechanical issues or improper installation. To resolve this, ensure all screws and mounting brackets are securely fastened and that the CPU cooler is properly seated on the CPU. Adjust fan speeds or install quieter fans if noise levels are bothersome. Monitor temperatures and fan speeds using software utilities to ensure the CPU is adequately cooled without excessive noise. In conclusion, addressing common CPU problems requires a mix of hardware and software troubleshooting techniques. By identifying and resolving issues such as overheating, system crashes, slow performance, compatibility issues, hardware failure, and noise or vibrations, you can ensure the smooth operation of your computer's CPU. Remember, a well-maintained CPU not only extends the lifespan of your computer, but also enhances its performance.